You know, ang Cagayan, ang mali naman nila sa first set, no? They led, they stuck to their game plan, pero parang tama si Coach Ness. They relaxed towards the end, and Army, we said it nga, hindi mo pwede bigyan ng opportunity kasi they will grab it. As in, literally grab it.
Oo.
Salak with a good serve. Saet, Amporn. Oh, good dig.
No, taking it well. Tuwang-tuwang Army.
Oh, Aganon. They're keeping Aganon in, and why not? She's been playing well for Army. And Shakey's, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. But we gotta give credit muna to Agno for that dig.
Kanya yung point na yun.
Oo.
Minus yun doon sa
Oo.
Kaya Agno yung point na yun.
Free ball. Balse. Quick hit. Also, nabuhayan na ang Team Army. We can see how different they are here in the second set. Parang happy na sila.
Correct. Team Santiago, that's her 5th point of this game. Gonzaga, Bautista, Pontillas, Marciano, and Haiba all have 4.
Salak, 3-0. Good start for Philippine Army. Marciano, Saet, Pontillas. Smart hit off the blockers.
Kaya masarap pa rin itong dalawang teams na ito kasi you would see so many ad-libs, so many, makikita mo yung talent eh, di ba? Ng individual players, ng individuals. So, kaya nakakatawa siyang panuulin.
Oh, good save, Gonzaga. High free ball, Amporn, Saet, Pontillas.
Oh, trying to go for a check, no goal there.
Right, 4 serving 1. And Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Santiago. But I'm actually surprised that Coach Ness did not change the lineup a bit. Kasi very deep rin naman ang bench niya.
Bench ng Cagayan. But you would notice that si Coach Ness will always have that substitution towards the end or mid portion of each and every set.
Oo.
Diba? May ganun siya lagi.
Si C and whoever, diba? Like Tabaquero.
Yan ka lang muna, huwag ka muna.
Oh, quick kill for Balse, and Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Din Santiago.
Too much muscle. Power.
What muscle?
Kala mo lang.
Santiago.
Mercury ang dumadaloy sa veins niya. Bakal.
And as we speak, si Tabaquero is called to action.
Yeah.
They actually need her leadership.
True.
Cagayan. Good serve.
Game balls connecting with Tina Salak on a quick hit.
Oh, so far yung mga quicks ng Army, no answers naman tong Cagayan. Sa panahon ng tag-ulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Aganon, good serve. Pontillas, Saet, Sangmuang, block, good coverage. Pontillas.
Oh, Pontillas wanted to go down the line, but a bit long for her.
Oh, 7 serving 2. Ang Cagayan naman ngayon yung tahimik. Ganon. Another good serve. Tabaquero. Saet. Hilalio blocked. Saet. To Pontillas.
Oh, and another long one from Pontillas. Oh, with that, si Batchery Samuang with a cross-court thunder, and they get that point.
That's right. They needed that, no? Medyo...
Kailangan pampagising, di ba?
Yes.
Oh, something na...
Mismo.
Di ba? Yung spark plug.
Pero ang layo, my opinion, ang layo lang nilalaro ng locals. Na now that the Thai imports are there, as compared to when they first met. Ang ganda ng
Oo, yun din ang minsan mahirap because it's either you rely too much on the guest players or
Complacent.
hindi pa rin sila nakaka-gel masyado with the team.
Pero parang alam ko matagal na rin sila
Matagal sila
nag-training
practice together. That's right. Philippine Army, 5 attack points. Cagayan with only 1. They have to produce more. And
On cue.
at that,
Si Sangwang heard you. Produce more, ito more.
sige, more pa.
More pa. Malilalo ng serving. It's 4-9 in favor of Army. But in fairness to both teams, service has been spot on today.
We haven't seen so much errors, di ba, on the service line. In fact, meron na bang service error?
Parang wala pa.
So,
Not
very steady.
Not that we want to jinx it, pero it
Yes.
goes to show maganda yung
Correct.
preparation ng both squads. King Balse.
Meron na kanina naalala ko, si Amporn.
Ay. Oh, good dig.
One-handed save there by Gonzaga.
Balse. Bautista. Oh, off the blockers.
Bautista finding an Escanita.
Oo nga eh.
I don't know how she was able to put that in. Let's take a look at that once again.
Eksakto, no? Sa gitna ng blockers.
Grabe.
And Shakey's V-League is powered by Motolite battery pang matagalan.
Lagi may comments. Talaga kailangan matalo ka na. Matalo ka na ni Noel.
Oo.
Yan ang iniintay natin.
Hintay mo sa Sunday. Hintay mo bali sa Sunday.
Bawi.
Bawi. Sangwang. Good serve.
This time, it's Amporn. Winning that joust over Tina Sala.
But this is the first game of the Thai imports. First game, no? So, syempre,
Si Macheri, medyo
Sanay na.
dun sa yung kumbaga game situation. Iba rin yung kasi nagpa-practice kayo. Tapos yung talagang game.
That's right. Good block. Salak to Santiago. Oh, just too powerful. Gets it through.
Right. But this time it's Amporn getting that point off the block then.
Oo, pero bumibilis na rin yung connection ni Saet Amporn. Getting the hang of it. And we were talking about it kasi first game of Amporn here in the V-League. So, syempre she's getting used to the situation.
Right. Ganun yan eh. Iba rin kasi kahit nagpa-practice kayo. Pero yung sa game itself, also different.
That's right. As Saet gets an ace there. Just a 4-point lead for Army. And Shakey's. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Oh, and Tina Salak with the dump ball.
Smart.
Sweet, soft touch.
Oo.
Parang may tender loving care dun sa Mikasa ball natin.
Parang brinash lang niya over. Salak to serve. Good serve, short. Saet. Tabaquero. Good block. Coverage is there. Saet. Back to Tabaquero. Amporn. Salak was there. Santiago. Gonzaga. Good block. Salak. Agano. Another good block. This is the longest rally so far. Aganon!
Oh, and Agana right into Montilla's block. You know, ang Army, daming arsenal niya. Yung lang last play na yun, ilan ang pumano. Diba?
Kulang na lang, pati sila Balse. Good read, Saet. Pontillas again!
Oh, and Montillas once again. Pangalawa na yata yan, diba?
Rare.
Na hindi, kasi madalas niya nang ginagawa yun and she's been also very effective on that play, that attack.
Right. Alam ko, nerves yan rin for Pontillas. Tao lang.
Huwag kang mag-alala. Pag upo niyan, mag-shake his pizza yan. Tapos na yan.
Correct. Santiago, good serve. Sangmuang, Saet, Yulalo. Whoops!
Oh, yan yung mga pinagkakwentuhan nating ad-libs, di ba?
Oo. Mga veteran smarts.
Na kahit sila mismo natatawa na sila sa ginagawa nila, pero point is a point.
Yes, they'll
And
take
ang
it.
maganda kasi sa kanila, malalakas ang loob. Yung confidence is really there. You can feel it, you can see it. Oh, sayang. Siguro sabi ng guardian angel, sobra na kayo, ah.
Pero parang iniba na yung serve niya, no?
Well, it's playing safe. It's more of playing safe, just getting the ball across. Trying to go for the first liners, diba?
Oo. And substitute.
Narinig yun na kasi sa sarili ko, first line.
First line.
Oh! Big bounce, eh. Quick hit.
That's right, and Army still ahead 16-10. Those who just joined us, Army took the first set. They came back and actually they were down but came back and we are in the second set. I'm Naringo together with my partner Mozi Ravena and Miyaka Lim.
And you know what's going really for the Philippine Army is their consistency and their effectiveness inside. Why? Total attempts of in their attacks, 20. Ang na-convert nila, 12. So that's about 60%.
Oh, that's
Ito
decent.
naman Cagayan, 20 rin ang nagawa nila. Pero 5 lang ang naging puntos nila. So that's 25%.
Oh my, ang layo.
Yun. Doon nagkaroon ng diferensya. Look at the Philippine Army. Talagang you feel na nagpapakamatay.
Yes.
I mean, also, Cagayan, ganun din naman. It's just that yung Philippine Army is making their offense really going great dun sa defense nila.
That's right, and 17 serving 11, Gonzaga. Good serve. Tabakero, Saet. Sangmuang.
Oh, abot pa rin yun, na.
Good save. Benito. Saet, back to Sangmuang.
Oh, and Sangmuang on the open hit.
Mga Thai imports, no, when Saet sets it to them, they're scoring naman eh.
Yes.
It's up to the locals to actually support the Thai imports.
Kasi hindi naman nga pwedeng sila lang dalawa.
Pwede naman.
Well, Tita Salak still going for that dump ball and still effective.
Oh, yun ang sinasabi natin, familiarity. Obviously, si Ampor hindi masyadong kilala yung
Yun.
game ni Salak.
At mukhang talaga naman yun din ang nasa utak ni Tita Salak.
Oo, di ba?
Kanina pa niya ginagawa kay Ampor.
Balsa with a good serve, Benito. Back to Sangmuang, good save by Gonzaga. Oh!
Tingnan mo, yan. You can see, look the effort coming from the Philippine Army.
And they're enjoying it. Look at their smile.
Oh!
Eh, si Balsa.
Bumisbuhay na, partner eh. Para sa isang puntos, ha?
Correct. At medyo malaki lead nila.
But Cagayan, ito, if they want to catch up with the Philippine Army, ito na, kailangan na nila mag-start.
Oh, they have to mount a rally.
String up some points in this sequence. Pero Bautista, sabi niya, hindi pwede. Going cross-court.
Oo, talagang one blocker. Hindi rin naman pwede against former MVP na isang
Right.
blocker.
Doon mapapagod talaga ang Cagayan. They really need to put in kahit na single block, pero kung pwedeng double block,
Oo.
di ba? All the time. Oh, there you go. Ange Tabakero with the off-the-block hit.
That's a good sign for Cagayan because when Angie Tabakero plays well, good things happen to Cagayan. Well, let's see, you know.
5-point lead lang to sa Cagayan and we are just in the mid-portion of this second set.
So what a serve by Saet. Pineda. Saet.
Oh, and Tina Salak just returning that open hit by Ange Tabakero.
That's what we can say about Salak's game, eh. Very smart, very deliberate.
Kung si Tina Salak setter ko, siguro galing-galing ko.
Galing ka naman, eh.
May excuse. Ay, sorry Darwin Saison. Hindi naman ka tayo na. Magaling ka rin.
Oo, si Doc, di ba? Si Doc.
Darwin Saisot Saranglao.
Oh, and a substitution. Pao Soriano in, and now we can see the substitutions of Coach Ness. Trying to find, no, that six.
Yes,
Kasi,
ganun naman talaga. You'll just have to find yung whoever will click, di ba? Or sinong puputok.
oo. And Benito gets that point. Smart set.
4 points. 4 points na lang ang kailangan ng Cagayan. Ito yung unti-unti na sinasabi ni Coach Ness.
Yes. That's what the Army actually did to Cagayan in the first
yes,
set.
in the first set. Patience lang.
Short receive. Aganon.
And that's a long one. Trying to ask for a check.
Dahil sasabi ko sarap maging team captain kasi after the timeout, meron siyang, kasi Mina nandito ka.
And,
di ba?
and imagine, kasama mo siya sa loob. So, it's like having a coach inside.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Ayan, tignan mo si Mina, nakinig kay Tina sa kalaka. Kasi sometimes, a player, when you listen to the coach, and the coach generalizes things, sometimes hindi mo ma-visualize, and it's up to your teammate, your team captain to say,
Yung mga tweaking na pwedeng gawin
exactly.
ng individual player.
Exactly. Din Santiago serving.
Kasi di ba nakakalimot ka rin nasa space out ka. Dito naging player din tayo, di ba? May mga days na ganun eh. Space cadet ka lang dyan sa loob.
Lalo na kung marami nangyayari sa buhay mo. Kung may exam. Oh. Good kill there for Cagayan. Again, you know, this is just 3 points. You know, doable for Cagayan.
Very. Especially now that Batchery, it's a full front line for Cagayan. You have Sangmuang, Soriano,
Benito.
and Benito there inside. Oh, combination play.
Oh, good save. Free ball. Wow, Tabaquero. Soriano. Soriano!
Oh,
Soriano? Soriano!
Parang kahit hindi nakapikit ako, alam ko na nangyari dun sa tone of voice.
Well, just the 2-point lead. Tabaquero, good serve. Palse. Pineda was there. Benito. To Sangmuang. Free ball. Oh! Drop ball. Saet. Back to Sangmuang. Block. Coverage is there. Saet. To Benito. Block.
Oh, good job there by Saet. Oh, and late call. Overreaching because si Saet daw backliner. Kaya lang, paano ba yung manner yon? I think yung manner na pag-return ng bola.
But they have a point because actually, nasa ground lang si Saet.
Correct. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko, yung manner by which he returned the ball. So, pero back row violation pa rin ang tinawag.
Well, referee's call stays, so Army gets the point. Back to a 3-point lead. Well, again, the call stays. And a good block for Mary Jean Balse. 23-19. No, Cagayan's gotta forget about that play.
Yes, exactly.
Sayang yung habol nila.
Yun sana yung sasabihin ko. Dapat kalimutan na yun because yung momentum nasa kanila na eh. And,
pero what a momentum-breaking call, no? Sangmuang.
Sangmuang trying to keep things afloat.
Siya yung actually, she's trying to lift this whole Cagayan on her shoulders. Joy Benito. Just a 3-point lead. Still doable for Cagayan. Gonzaga. Salak to Balse. Good dig. Soriano. Sangmuang!
Oh, it's Sangmuang once again. This time using the blockers of the Philippine Army. Lady Troopers, naisahan doon.
Oh, but Sangmuang has been piling it up for Cagayan.
Yun ang kailangan nila, no? In this rotation, kung halimbawa mainit si Sangmuang. Ganun, strike while the iron is hot.
That is true. Salak. Bautista. Oh, that's wide.
That's wide. And here we go.
Good
Kasi
serve.
he wants a full front line.
Good block. Benito. Sangmuang!
Sangmuang once again. And it has been Sangmuang carrying the load for Cagayan Valley.
Sabagay, sabi ni Coach Ness, kung ganyan ka-hot si Sangmang, kahit sino mag-set siguro.
Subukan mong ako.
Oo. Malay mo. Quick set pa. So we are tied at 23. Benito serving. Great serve. Agno was there. Salak. Oh, it's still alive.
Oh, please, still playable.
Oh, what a set. Bautista was there. Salak to Gonzaga. Oh!
This time it's Gonzaga challenging the blockers of Philippine Army.
That's right. Rosemary Vargas sits down. Saet comes back in, but it is set point again for Army, trying to go up 2-0. Good serve, Benito. Saet to Sangmuang. Again.
In spite of having a Ging Balse and a Tina Salak to block her, Sang Muang takes that point.
That's right. And look at the front row right now. For Cagayan, you have Amporn and Sangmuang together with Saet. Pero maganda rin, Balse, Salak, Gonzaga.
Right. Walang tulak kabigin, gano'n ba yun?
Oh, good block. Agno was there. Bautista.
Oh, it's smart beach volleyball move there by Nene Bautista.
Hirap nun
Nakita niya wala, naka-forward kasi ito si Sangmuang para sa depensa. So kita niya haba, pero that takes a lot of experience to do that.
Alam mo, tingin ko that was the only shot for a point and she did it. Galing.